Can you believe October is done? I can't believe it. It is not stopping anytime soon. Next thing we know, we are going to be at Christmas. So Colourpop teamed up with Disney and they did a collection. And when I saw this, I had to get it. It's limited edition. It is absolutely adorable. It's right up my alley, probably yours too. It is a princess thing. And what's in here are shadows for all of these princesses. We have Tiana, Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, Snow White, and Cinderella. Just the packaging alone, I mean, they're not in their traditional gowns. They're like in a trendy party dress, which goes with the season. It's so adorable. And then inside are 15 shadows. You have mattes on the top row, some shimmers in the second row, and then on the bottom, they're more like a sheen. I've swatched them, but I haven't worn them yet. It's a cute little palette. It's adorable. The names: Chip, Juju, Grumpy, Triton, Abu. Forgive me, I don't have my glasses on. This is like, I'm working for you right now. Prince Charming, Ray. Is there a Ray? Party. Oh my gosh, Fairy. See, it's bad. My eyes are bad. Fairy Godmother. One Kiss. Thingamabob. Oh my gosh, tell me what movie that's from. Enchanted Rose. Poison Apple. Magic Carpet, Beast, and Midnight Curfew. Adorable names to go with an adorable palette. And this is my giveaway. So not only do I have one for myself, but I have one for you guys. So you know the drill. You need to comment below. Let me think. What's your favorite Disney princess? I know mine. Should I share now? I don't think I will. I will comment in my description who my favorite princess is. Make sure you're subscribed so you can comment below to be entered to win the giveaway. Very important. Subscribe, comment, possibly win. That would be awesome. We will select the winner again in the next video that we post. And then stay tuned because December, oh, do we have some good stuff coming your way. So keep watching. If you want to hit that bell to be notified just so you're on it, that'd be good too. I'll talk to you soon. Good luck. Bye.